Hello, little friends. Welcome back to our fun alphabet adventure. Today, we are going to learn about an interesting letter. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's the letter I. I is the ninth letter of the alphabet, and it starts so many interesting words. Let's learn the interesting new words that starts with alphabet I. An ibis is a tall, elegant bird with long legs and a curved beak. It has bright feathers that can be white, black, or a mix of colors. Ibises often live near water and use their long beaks to find food like fish and insects. They start with the letter I, which sounds like I. When you think of an ibis, remember the letter I and how this graceful bird walks through shallow water looking for food. Ibises are beautiful to watch and are known for their unique beaks and colorful feathers. Ice cream is a delicious, cold treat that comes in many flavors like chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. It's made from milk and sugar and is often enjoyed on a hot day. Ice cream starts with the letter I, which sounds like I. When you think of ice cream, remember the letter I and how this yummy dessert is served in cones or bowls and can be topped with sprinkles, fruit, or chocolate syrup. Ice cream is a favorite treat for kids and adults because it's sweet, creamy, and fun to eat. An igloo is a special house made of ice blocks, shaped like a dome. It's built in cold places, like the Arctic, where it is very snowy. Igloos keep people warm inside even though they are made of ice because they trap heat from inside. Igloo starts with the letter I, which sounds like I. When you think of an igloo, remember the letter I and how this cool ice house is built by stacking ice blocks and making a round roof. Igloos are amazing shelters that help people stay cozy in very cold places. An ironing board is a special table used to press clothes and make them smooth. It has a flat surface covered with a cloth where you place your clothes. You use an iron, which is a hot tool, to press down on the clothes to remove wrinkles. Ironing boards start with the letter I, which sounds like I. When you think of an ironing board, remember the letter I and how this helpful tool makes clothes look nice and neat. It's an important part of getting your clothes ready to wear, helping them stay crisp and tidy. An idol is a special statue or figure that people admire and often keep in a place of honor. Idols can be made from materials like wood, stone, or metal, and they are usually crafted to look like a person, animal, or symbol. They start with the letter I, which sounds like I. When you think of an idol, remember the letter I and how this object is respected and admired by people. Idols are often found in temples, homes, or special places and are important in many cultures and traditions around the world. Ink is a special liquid used for writing or drawing. It comes in different colors, like black, blue, and red, and is put into pens, markers, or printers. When you write with ink, it makes your words or pictures show up clearly on paper. Ink starts with the letter I, which sounds like I. When you think of ink, remember the letter I and how this colorful liquid helps us create writing and art. Ink is an important part of many things we use every day, from books and letters to drawings and fun crafts. An inn is a cozy place where people can stay overnight when they are traveling. It is like a small hotel with beds, rooms, and sometimes even a place to eat. Inns provide a comfortable place to rest and relax. They start with the letter I, which sounds like I. When you think of an inn, remember the letter I and how this friendly place offers a warm bed and shelter for travelers. Inns are perfect for taking a break and getting some sleep when you are on a journey or vacation. An insect is a tiny creature with 6 legs, 3 body parts, and usually 2 wings. Examples of insects are bees, butterflies, and ants. Insects are found everywhere, from gardens to forests, and they often help plants grow by spreading pollen. They start with the letter I, which sounds like I. When you think of an insect, remember the letter I and how these small animals buzz, crawl, or fly around us. Insects are important for nature and are fascinating to watch because of their different colors, shapes, and behaviors. An island is a piece of land that is completely surrounded by water. It can be big, like a country, or small, like a tiny rock in the ocean. Islands often have beautiful beaches, trees, and animals. They start with the letter I, which sounds like I. When you think of an island, remember the letter I and how this special land is separate from the mainland by water. Islands are fun to imagine, with their sandy shores and lovely views, and they are great places for adventures and exploring new places. The internet is a system that connects computers and phones all around the world. It helps people share information, send messages, and find answers to questions. You can watch videos, play games, and talk to friends using the internet. It starts with the letter I, which sounds like I. When you think of the internet, remember the letter I and how it helps us learn and have fun by connecting us to lots of information and people. The internet is like a giant network that makes the world feel closer and helps us explore many exciting things. Iceland is a country in the North Atlantic Ocean. It is known for its stunning landscapes, including volcanoes, hot springs, and glaciers. Iceland is a land of fire and ice with beautiful natural features. It starts with the letter I, which sounds like I. When you think of Iceland, remember the letter I and how this special country has amazing places like geysers and waterfalls. Iceland is also famous for its colorful northern lights and friendly people. It's a unique and exciting place to learn about and explore. India is a large country in South Asia known for its rich history and diverse culture. It has many colorful festivals, delicious foods, and beautiful landmarks like the Taj Mahal. India starts with the letter I, which sounds like I. When you think of India, remember the letter I and how this vibrant country has lots of different languages, traditions, and animals like elephants and tigers. India is a land of exciting sights, sounds, and experiences, from busy cities to peaceful countryside. It's a fascinating place full of wonderful things to explore. An image is a picture or a photo that shows what something looks like. It can be a drawing, a photograph, or a painting. Images help us see and understand things, even if we are not there in person. They start with the letter I, which sounds like I. When you think of an image, remember the letter I and how this picture can be on paper, a computer screen, or a phone. Images are great for sharing what we see and capturing special moments or cool things we want to remember. An iPad is a special tablet that is like a mini computer. It has a touch screen that you can use to play games, watch videos, and read books. You can also draw and learn new things with it. The iPad starts with the letter I, which sounds like I. When you think of an iPad, remember the letter I and how this handy device helps you explore and have fun with its many apps and features. It's a great tool for learning and enjoying all kinds of digital activities. An iron is a tool used to make clothes smooth and wrinkle-free. It gets hot and has a flat, metal surface that you press onto clothes to help remove creases. Irons start with the letter I, which sounds like I. When you think of an iron, remember the letter I and how this helpful tool makes clothes look neat and tidy. You use it by sliding it back and forth over your clothes while it's hot. An iron is important for keeping your clothes looking nice and ready to wear. Iced coffee is a cold, refreshing drink made from brewed coffee with ice cubes. It's perfect for a hot day and can be sweetened with milk or sugar. Iced coffee starts with the letter I, which sounds like I. When you think of iced coffee, remember the letter I and how this chilly drink helps you cool down and enjoy a tasty coffee flavor. It's served in a glass and is often enjoyed by people who like coffee but want a cold, tasty treat. Iced coffee is a fun way to have coffee in a new and refreshing way.